Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Savoring with Saba. Today we are making coconut flour pancakes. They're super moist, nice and fluffy, and they're super easy to make. So I'm so excited to share one of my favorite recipes. So let's stop talking and jump right into today's recipe. I have a very special guest with me. This is Sharon. Sharon, say hi to everyone.
Hi.
Are you excited about our pancakes?
I am.
Do you even like pancakes though?
Well, I like pancakes, but I'm a waffle girl.
Oh. Okay, well you have to try my vanilla protein waffles. I think you'll love those. But these coconut flour pancakes are pretty good. So you may be converted soon. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna blend all of our ingredients together, and I'll walk through what we have as we're putting them in the blender. Okay. So first I have coconut flour.
Coconut flour.
Yes. Coconut flour is amazing. It's super, just dump all of it in. It's super absorbent and it makes those pancakes nice and fluffy. Now we're gonna add in our sweetener. Now typically you can put all of that in there too. Typically some people use white sugar. I don't use that because it's super processed. So I use sweetener with monk fruit in it because it's from a natural fruit and it's just healthier and cleaner.
And does it give the same taste as regular
Yes,
processed sugar?
it tastes really good.
Okay.
Now we're gonna add some cream cheese. Now typically, that would be nice. I'm not gonna lie. I would like some ice cream right now. So cream cheese does a really great thing. It makes the pancakes really moist and fluffy, and it works really well with that coconut flour. Perfect. And then finally, for the dry ingredients, or dry-ish ingredients, we have our baking powder. Now the eggs. Our heavy cream. And then finally, our vanilla extract. That's going to add a little bit of vanilla flavor to our coconut pancakes. You want to make sure that you get the sides of the blender so that they're fully incorporated with the rest of the batter. We are done blending our batter. It smells delicious. I'm so excited for our pancakes. But before we even put this on the griddle, we have to let this sit for a couple of minutes and let the batter bubble. That's when you know it's ready. So we're going to take some time. We're going to let it bubble, do its thing, and then we'll be right back to put this on the griddle. So what you want to do is give it like 1 to 2 minutes. You want to see some bubbles before you turn your pancakes because you want it to be nice and clean once you turn it. So we're going to give it a couple of moments. Let's flip them. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So what I like to do is just, go ahead. There we go. I like to like flip the sides.
Are all
Nice and clean. I'm going to get this one. Bam. I can smell the coconut, guys. It just,
It smells so good.
I'm hungry.
Maybe because I haven't ate all day. Okay.
We're ready for brunch. I'm so ready for brunch. So we're going to give this another 1 to 2 minutes and then it's good to go. So for brunch, I love a good mimosa. Like nothing is better than washing down all those amazing pancakes with some mimosas. What about you?
So I do like a good mimosa, but recently I've been trying sangria with my brunch, and it is amazing.
I didn't even think about that. I gotta try that.
You're gonna try it today.
Yeah, okay. Well, now our pancakes are good and ready to go. Sharon, it's the moment that we've been waiting for. Our pancakes are finished. They look nice and good. Yours are nice and brown. I know that's how you prefer yours.
Yes.
Mine are a little bit tanner. But I have some things that we can decorate our pancakes with. First, some whipped cream, some maple syrup, and of course fruit. So choose what you want. I love a little actually, let me do this first. Pour
Syrup.
my syrup on top. There's a method to this that I do, guys.
Not very expensive.
Then I take my whipped cream, decorate them. Actually, that should have done that. I'm being a little messy and greedy.
I cannot wait. Okay.
I just love the coconut. Makes me so happy. Oh my gosh, it's so fluffy. Right? Right?
Very moist. I do taste the coconut. It's good.
Thank you.
It's good. Okay.
See, it's super simple. I love the fact that you wouldn't think about it, but cream cheese is really good for also helping with that batter. So it helps it rise and stay fluffy.
It's good. Very good.
Oh, and don't forget, cheers.
Yes, ma'am. Cheers.
You're right. Sangrias are, that's actually a really good
told
pairing.
you. Kick the mimosas to the curb for brunch. Get you some sangria.
Well, guys, the birthday crown is on, and that can only mean one thing. It's giveaway time, and I'm so excited about sharing one of my favorite things with you guys. But first, I told you in the beginning, I have a very special guest, Sharon. Sharon is the creator and founder of Chica Sangria, and we had it just now with our pancakes. This is amazing, okay? So I want to know, like, what even got you started? Like, how did you think of starting to make sangria? Like, that's amazing.
So I started making sangria a few years ago. I was just making it for family and friends. And then as of last year, I was like, you know, this is something I can introduce to the rest of the world.
Yes.
Something for them to enjoy with their family, friends, by themselves, whatever they choose to do. So that's what happened.
Well, congratulations. This is
Thank
amazing.
you.
Cheers.
Thank you.
I'm
Cheers.
wishing you lots of success. This is so tasty. So you may be wondering, how can you snag 2 free bottles of this amazing sangria? Well, there are a couple of rules. First, you have to subscribe to my channel, so somewhere down there, subscribe. The second thing is you have to follow both of us on Instagram. Then we're going to post a giveaway post on our Instagram pages. Tag 3 people in those posts, and you are eligible to win these lovely bottles of sangria. Sharon, thank you so much for joining me
No
today.
problem. Thank you for having me.
I hope you enjoyed the pancakes,
I did.
because I certainly enjoyed the sangria. And so again, if you want to snag some bottles, be sure to follow the rules that we listed. And if they don't want to wait and they just want to grab a couple bottles, how can they even do that, Sharon?
So follow me at Chica Sangria on Instagram.
Yes.
You can send me a direct message, or you can email me at chica.sangria@gmail.com.
All right, and we'll have that information in the bottom too, so you guys can also get that. And if you want the recipe for my delicious, my moist, my fluffy coconut flour pancakes, you know where to go, savoringwithsaba.com. And as always, everyone, happy savoring.
Cheers.
Cheers.